Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're standing next to a 2022 Scout 177 Sport. We're going to take a quick walk through this boat. My name's Dean Ashton, and if you have any questions after the video, feel free to give us a call at 910-256-8100. So for power, we've got this boat optioned out with the upgraded optional 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. The boat is equipped with a black power pole, and that goes really nice with the Midnight Edition that this boat has. Gives you the black powder coat here on your push tower, black powder coat grab handles, black windshield frame, and black rod holders. Looking back towards the aft of the boat, this boat is outfitted with your 2 access panels in the deck, pop-up cleats, push rod storage down the gunnel. You have a double wide seat here at the helm, and underneath the seat is a great amount of storage. You've got your designated cooler storage, and then you've got netting that separates that storage where you access through the deck panels. At the helm of the boat, you have a stainless steel tilt wheel. This boat is outfitted with the Lenco trim tabs. We've just installed a 943 Garmin here at the dash. You can get an idea of how that fits. Up in front of the console, you have a jump seat. And that's also your live well there underneath. Up here in the bow of the boat, you got a big casting platform, rod holders up in the bow of the boat. This boat is outfitted with the trolling motor option. And underneath that casting platform is more storage. You've got your 5-gallon bucket in there, as well as anchor locker storage. Again, that's a real quick look at the Scout 177 Sport. If you'd like any more information on this boat or any of the others we have here in stock, contact us at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-256-8100.